Alright, so I just got my spark plugs done this week because I was having a misfire and they should have been done a long time ago, so I'm not blaming the truck there. But I'm still having a bit of an issue when I accelerate. Hard acceleration, I guess, to pass and stuff, or merge on the highway. So I don't know if you can tell from the video, but so like I said, I got the spark plugs done last week and I'm doing the injectors tomorrow to see if that fixes the problem. All right, so this was a long few days for me, 24 hours in the truck. But the fuel economy was back to 13.7, which is pretty normal. So that last video I made was 15.7, which was definitely due to the wind and whatnot.
There's lots of people everywhere.